This is a video inspection of the 2003 Haas VF-2 20 horsepower. Control panel with MPG. Floppy disk and manuals. Shipping bracket. 4th axis ready. Serial plate 30532. Coolant pan. Chip auger with the side mount tool change. High intensity work lights. And now we're gonna put it through its paces with running the spindle at 10% increments. I'm about 6 inches away, starting at 1,000. Okay, going up in 10% increments. Now we're going to do a tool change forward. And in reverse. We're going to do the programmable coolant. And then show you the X and the Y. The table, the X-axis. And now in the Y. And Z. And this concludes the video inspection of the 2003 Haas VF-2.